The wood shop is flooded. It's the second week of winter in Wisconsin. And you know what that means? It's spring.
Oh, by the way, welcome back to the latest episode of our studios. It is January 1st, 2020, the first video of the new year. We're excited because we have plans, we have big plans. Ever have a hard time trying to figure out what to paint? Yeah, us too. You know when you try to paint something but you don't have a good subject matter or know what to do. So, can you stop, little cat? You big goon. I came up with an idea. I don't know if it's gonna work, but I'll show it to you. You used to make these in elementary school, middle school. I don't remember what they're called, but I just modified it for painting. I call it the decider. It has suggestions on the top part. Then when you open it up, there's even more suggestions. And then when you open those up, it gives you canvas sizes, a couple of choices. Kitty! So we tried it out in hopes to get through the painter's block of what kind of subject matter to paint. So hopefully it'll turn out. We don't know. So this is what it looked like. Now you get to do a 50-foot painting with machines on a 10 by 20.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that cute little video to start off your new year. Wow, glare in my face. We appreciate you watching. So now you know how to decide on a painting. It doesn't mean you're married to that idea. It's just hopefully an idea, and that's all you need. What do I want to say? So once again, thanks for watching. We'll see you again next time whenever we post a video. So thank you again. Bye. Spring. It's supposed to be spring. Take 3.